Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. If you have a little space in your pantry that could use some soup, then I want to show you this soup from Progresso. This is the light version. It's savory vegetable barley soup, so this has less calories than the typical soups, and it is really delicious. So even though it is a light version, it's still really good. It really warms you up. This broth has a really nice flavor with tomato and herbs, and you can actually see the different herbs and spices in it, and it tastes amazing. So I like this one because it has lots of vegetables, the barley is really nice, and it really does fill you up and feel like a hearty meal even though it is light. So I love to keep soup on hand for busy days, cold winter days, or days that I'm just not feeling well and I want to have something ready to go. So I would definitely recommend this soup if you're looking for something simple, convenient, but also tasty. And that is my point of view.